Let's begin with taking a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Fill your brain with as much as oxygen as possible. Now begin by observing your thoughts. Become a witness of your thoughts. The whole process of meditation is to become a witness and misidentify yourself from your thoughts and emotions. Shutting down all your physical senses and looking inward. Now, what thoughts are coming up for you? Are you thinking about the past, something that happened in past that is still making you upset or depressed? Are you thinking about the future and are you constantly worrying about something of probable future that is making you anxious? Can you let go of the past for 5 minutes and just be here now? Can you let go of the worry about future? Can you let go of the control and the resistance? Feel safe, feel protected, feel grounded. Let go and let God in. Now look at this grass dancing along with the winds. They are not worrying about anything. They are just here, dancing along the wind. Look at the Mother Earth. Now look upstairs. See the vast sky. Feel the vastness of the sky. These clouds are like thoughts. They come and go. You are like the sky. The sky doesn't attach themselves to the thoughts. Thoughts come and go. Sky is always there. Sky is always present. Sky is vast. Look at these trees. Are they worrying about anything? They are just dancing along the wind, standing tall, spreading their branches, and just being themselves. Can you feel this presence within you? Can you feel this emptiness and nothingness within you? Can you feel this inner dimension within you that is beyond physical senses and sense perceptions? Can you allow yourself 5 minutes just to be with yourself, be present with yourself, give your fullest attention to yourself? Can you love yourself just the way you are? Can you not judge yourself for 5 minutes? Can you be here now? Feel this present moment, which is the only moment that exists. Nothing else matters at this moment. When you are here, can you feel this emptiness? Can you feel this vastness? Can you feel this inner dimension within you that is so vast that you can't even imagine? Feel this. Anytime you feel down, anytime you feel stressed, anytime you feel anxious about future, peace is only found in the present moment. Peace is not a destination to reach. It's not in the future. It's here. It's in the now. So be here now. Anytime you feel like you are being led by thought, bring that monkey back. Make him sit down. Because that's the nature of your brain. It will jump off here and there. It's your job to bring it back to this very present moment, the only moment that exists. Can you forget for 5 minutes who you are, who you think you are? Can you just become one with the grass, one with the nature, and one with the sky? Forget who you are for 5 minutes. This is your daily practice. Do it every day and see the magic.